And in order to proceed further with the login logic, as you remember, the step number 2 is to establish connection exactly in the same way as we did for the register PHP file. Okay, let's get back to the NetBeans. Before we proceed to the connection, we must make sure that the email and password, we secure it. Okay, we'll continue. We'll declare here one variable with the name email will be equals to HTML entities, and we will here the value which we want to encode will be the code value under the key email. And here we write $sign bill request square brackets quotation marks email, and we're doing the same for the password. Password equals to HTML entities in the round brackets $sign bill underscore request square brackets then quotation marks, we write password, then semicolon at the end. So what we are doing here, we are securing received info or data from hackers or injections. Okay, this is what we're doing here. So now we can go directly to step number 2 to establish connection with the server so we can communicate. Okay, so we can go to register.php. This is how we were doing this. So you remember this logic. This is how we were doing this. We just import access.php, then we declare, we construct it with these values, and then we connect to the server. Okay, we'll do this. First of all, we need to import access require, and then in the round brackets and then quotation marks, we as login it's in the same folder like register PHP, so the absolute path will be the same. First we'll go to the secure folder, then we'll go to access.php file. So here we'll write secure, this is the folder, then we're going to access.php. Okay, then we will declare a new variable. Access will be equals to, we need to make a new construction, equals to new access, this is the one. We are accessing the class. Host will be localhost. Host will be localhost. The user will be root. The password will be empty. And the name we'll use FB because this was the name of our database, then semicolon at the end. So after we construct the class and we assign a full class to the variable access, we now can access directly all the function of access file. You can hold command and left mouse click, it will throw you to your access file. Excellent, so we're coming back to our login page, and here we will write access, then dash and arrow, and we will click connect, which means to establish connection with the server. So what we can do is we can come back to our login, we can click refresh with the link where we pass email and password to this file, and it shows us no error, so it means we were able successfully to get connected to the server. Excellent. So this is only the preparation to work with our login PHP file, and the next step will be to receive the information from the server and to build the logic. Okay, let's go and do this.